Hello and welcome to a new Mautic video provided to you by HEM. Our topic is editing roles. To access roles, click on the setting wheel and then choose roles. By default in Mautic, you have two roles, the administrator one with full permissions, whereas the admissions one is with limited, of course, permissions. But you could edit this role by simply clicking on the edit button, then permissions, and here you could access all the features for this role. And let's say you'd like to modify the contact permissions. All you have to do is click on the feature and then start modifying the permissions. If you're running lead assignment, for example, and you'd like only to grant permissions to view own, edit own, create or delete own, so all you have to do is uncheck view others, edit others, and save and close. Of course, you could modify other permissions such as asset permissions. If you'd like to grant them access to upload files into the system, you simply grant them the full permission. If you'd like them to only view their own emails, you could check the view own, edit own, create emails, and even delete own, and then save and close. Again, you'll find all the permissions available for each module in the system. All you have to do is click on the feature or module and then modify the permissions, and after doing so, save and close. Thank you very much for watching. For more Mautic videos, please visit our website www.higher-education-marketing.com.